Okay, this next section is measure 13 and 14. And 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 3. All these notes, this one you played, this one you played, this high B is played thumb, register, and 1 in the front. So this high B is like an E, and then when you let off of it to play the C, it's going to be lifting up like you're playing an F. A little F. Now, doing that is kind of hard. You might not want to practice that too much, but definitely that's how it's going to feel with your fingers. And 4 and E, A, B, C, A, E, A, C, A. Measure 14 is going to present a different challenge. This G sharp right here is an actual C sharp low or D flat low. So the trick here is you have to be really fast with your G sharp to B finger. Not like, even though it sounds cooler, that's not what's written. Okay, so make sure you work through that. And the whole thing, those two measures, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last measure says retardando above. So what we're going to do here is we're going to stop the air after this half note and approach this like a different time signature or a different tempo. It's going to feel a little different. You really want to wait and pull back on those last couple eighth notes. Okay. So without the metronome, we'll go here to the end, starting right on the G sharp. Ready, and forgive the vibrato, I play trumpet. All right, so there's the solo. If you can get all that together, then it's just a matter of scales. Okay, and we'll do that in the next one.